Hello everyone, this is Pooja and I'm working as a training coordinator at SAP Netizens. And today we are going to discuss about the SAP FMS training at SAP Netizens training and how you can register for this course and what are the queries you have. We can discuss now. Before going in detail about the SAP FMS training, let us have a look about the SAP Netizens. SAP Netizens creates an innovative training solutions when it comes to provide online training in varied SAP functional modules only. Our subject matter experts helps trainee in all aspects of IT industry technologically and bringing awareness to enroll by guiding them with our technologically advanced team by providing online training to make everyone top class competitors to get well established in their required firm. Our online courses includes training in all latest and complex SAP functional models, and most complex ERP systems can be made easier to understand and explore new technologies. Our special SAP training classes includes extensive training in all modules that are presenting SAP functional side only. Our trainers are certified professionals of their performed field and are considered as experts of their domains. The training provided by them is in most interactive and an virtual way, which makes it even most easier to understand things much easier their tried and tested interactive training methods. Now let us have a look about the SAP FMS training. What is FMS? And the introduction about the FMS. The fashion collected by the SAP has been developed with fashion brands for fashion brands. It is a single versatile set of solutions that fits every aspect of modern type of retailers perfectly. The fashion management solution in short form called SAP FMS. It is vertically integrated processes and it provides all the retailers with a single and simple tool suite to the manage their vertically integrated processes. And currently, many retailers manage their vertical companies as an complete separate entities with separate business process, data management and the systems. And SAP FMS training had provided an integrated solution that brings the operations for vertical companies into a one single system. The solution enables all the companies to manage their business processes across one data system landspace. Not only this, it also enables companies to use power of in-memory computing to analyze large volumes of data for a faster and accurate performance. As a result, SAP FMS drives greater efficiency, quicker time to market and better inventory control. Now let us have a look about the SAP FMS online training course content for an that we are going to complete in training process. Firstly, we are discussed about the overview of the business process with the master data. In this, we are covering like original organizational structures, hierarchies, business partners, sites, article dimensions, and the articles and article related features, and the segmentations. These are we are covered. Next, we have a look on the planning and material requirements plannings, purchasing. In the source of supply determinations, purchase of orders, handling. Now, let us have a look on the wholesale sales. In this, we are covering like SAP, order handling and rescheduling. Next, move on to the retail allocation management. In this, like inbound processing, how to inventory management, logistics invoicing certifications, and how to execute the logistics. In this, we are covering like order allocations and output processing. Next, billing price management. In this, we are covering like pricing basis, detail pricing, markdowns. Next, move on to the merchandising. In this, we are covering promotion and next move to the store operations, additional scenarios. This we are covering like value added services, purchase to order, third party order, how to sell and wholesale, fashion contract and the business to business customer. Now these topics we will cover in our course. entire course content. Now let us have a look about what are the benefits for the SAP Fashion Management Solutions. First, basically to achieve rapid wholesale and retail global expansions with support for multiple languages, multiple currencies, multiple tax regimes, and the multiple import-export requirements. Globally command and control the single stock holding across all the channels using an real-time supply and the demand picture that drives for the better decisions. It is delivering a consistent customer experience with an unified solutions that supports all the channels. To improve your inventory efficiency with a single global inventory holding for all the retail, wholesale and the e-commerce channels also. It is also increase operational efficiency with common processes that share a single set of master and transaction of data across all the channels. The traditional business models are now expanding with SAP. The vertical fashion solution is vital for business growth also. In order to give the value of the vertical integration of common processes on a shared inventory and vertical fashion of solution, it must in order to support and optimize the multiple channels like manufacturing and wholesale and the retailers too. The solution aims to bring all the business operations under a single platform powered by the SAP HANA to help enable faster fashion and grow an adaptable global business while helping increase revenues and margin and efficiency too. And what are the core concepts for the SAP FMS? Firstly, we discussed for SAP fashion product. Fashion product with up to three dimensions such as size, color, or trap can be managed effectively with SAP FMS through the entire process. Next, have a look on the season collection and theme also. All the process are now collected by the seasons, collections and theme also. Each fashion product is now designed to one or multiple seasons and the season master data determines the purchasing and sales period of the product. Then the purchasing and sales documents will carry the season's informations and also inventory can be split by the season if they decide. Then we look on the demands and the supply segmentations and the value added services, structured articles and non-production booms. In this we are covering like SAP FMS training and see how the fashion management solutions will help your fashion brands grow into the adaptable global businesses while helping you to increase your revenues, margins and efficiency also. Before ending up the session, so let us have a look about the SAP FMS training web page for the SAP Netizens. Here we find the SAP Netizens and the SAP FMS training course content and the benefits of the FMS, the core concepts for the SAP FMS, all those we are covering. If you want to register our site, you can register a demo like your name, you can fill the those details and send a button to us. Or else you can directly leave a message to us and click on send button. As soon as we receive your details and get back to you and help you out attending the demo session also. You can also reach us at www.sapnetizens.com SAP FMS training. You can email us at sapnetizens@gmail.com or else you can contact us at 8121020366. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us. Have a good day.